everyone, welcome to my locker review. I'll be showing you what I always have in my locker. My skins, I'll start with my wraps. Plain wraps. This one 2020. You're supposed to get this one from Fortnite birthday to 3 years old. And I like this one, fall time. I'm excited for that. Need more stuff. Free wrap singlets. I don't know what you had to do for that one. It's been a while. A very rare wrap. Like you had to watch a live stream for that. And my locker, I'll show you my skin. Deadpool, Eternal Night, full Eternal Night. Fade, Fusion, pretty clean skin. I like that skin. War Paint, Rose Team Leader, exclusive for Save the World and this skin. Midas, I got that from the Chapter 1 Battle Pass, or Chapter 2. This skin, the superhero skin, you're able to edit. You can change any color you want to. Gear, especially with Maya. Galaxy, my profile picture. Look at the shoes, they're so clean. Dark Bomber, I got gifted this one. Aquaman, I don't really like that one. I bought this one, Comet. Harley Quinn, that I used to run that back in the day. I don't really run it anymore. Ninja, you can't buy it anymore because it will never come back. Fortnite said it itself, and Ninja said it himself. Cuddle Team Pool, you got that one in the cloud, or you buy the skin as a bundle. Storm, Raging Pool, pretty cool. Mystique, Jennifer Walters, the She-Hulk. Golden Groot, Dr. Doom, Eddie Styles, Golden Door. I'm level 155 right now. Iron Man, Wolverine, 8-ball, half 8-ball. No, I don't have it. Agent Tilly, Astra, my whole LT Argent Green. I think I got this when the Fortnite Christmas time came around. Watch, everyone loved that one. Kit, female, no, not female. The dad version of Mousicles. I have Mousicles. Jules, Bull Trooper. I just got that one. Camo and Vintage. I think I didn't get the edit style because I didn't know what I do in Chapter 2 Season 1. I started that season. Golden Brutus. Golden Mousicles. Ocean. Scuba Jonesy. Sienna. Skull Trooper. Yeah, this is Skull Trooper. I have Skull Trooper. Golden Sky. I unlocked like level 300, almost like 300, I was like 290 last season. Last 2 seasons, Tournament Hazard. That skin too. Iris. Holy Chomps. Fish Stick skin. That cool. Blob skin. I don't know. There's a purple version and the red version. Slime. Golden Tina. Recon Expert. Remy Soxon. Kurt Tycoon. Got that in the tournament. Had about 23 points. Turk Events Riptide. Woolly Warrior. I got that in the lodge from Christmas again. Yellow Jacket. A starter pack from Chapter 2, Season 3. You gotta buy it. Aura. Sweaty Aura. Cable. Clover Team Leader. Red Jade. Starlit Defender. And backlinks. I'm not going to go through all of them. I mostly run this one. This Cold Trooper backlink. Kind of funny. You had to get this for the Rocket Week event. Cape event. Or Cape 1. Wrong thing. Catapult bow thing, whatever it was. Neo Wing. How to get the #1 backwing from Chapter 2 Season 3. Last season you had to watch the FCN rewards and you get an edit style for watching. I don't know what for this season. Gonna watch it, I think. And it's a secret style for the backwing. Only us discover it. The full 8-ball backwing. I'm happy I got that one. Golden one. I didn't full got going spot. And the backwing. This backwing. Deadpool. Baby Groot. I like Baby Groot. And Shell backwing. And I don't want to play copyright music. At least I didn't get copyright. So play Dynamic Shuffle. I don't think I'm gonna get copyrighted for this, but I'm happy. Take the Cake. Fortnite hat from Fortnite birthday. FCN, you had to watch the FCN finals, I think. The spray. And these, I can only play a few. This one. Bouncy Berry got gifted that one. I think this one is copyrighted. I'm not playing copyright music on my stream or my video. Spree, Chapter 2, Season 2. Be down. Yep, you had to able to affair. I only played a little bit. I won't get copyrighted. Ride the Pony from Save the World, Season 2. This is rare. About 200 days ago, they added this to Fortnite. About almost 300 days. It was from Christmas. Ring it on. Laugh it up. Fill it out. Drop it. My music pack. I buy a few of them. No. Look. I bought this one. What else? Other ones I bought. I bought the others. I think I bought some others. I don't think so. I just unlocked them. Alright, I got gifted this one. I hope that will be a loading screen one day. I don't really use controls because they get in the way. That's what pro players do. That invites from a player like me. And pickaxes. And this is like the one from Marvel's, like from Season 9, where they had the knockout with Thanos powers. They had like that pickaxe, I don't know. Here. Gliders. I have every single season, Chapter 2 Season 1 win. Yeah, I got that one the first day it came out of the season. This one, yeah, I got that one. This one. Exclusive to Save the World. founder exclusive season. I'll show you the item shop. Gold Trooper, Racer, Brianna, no, I don't know what to say it. OG feature music, like the OG version of music. The Reaper pickaxe. That one. Rage quit. That me kind of I really like a little bit of the item shop. And this season, level 155 is I'll do a video how to level up soon. Stay tuned for that. See, not golden, I'll get that soon. Thank you for watching the video, and see you later.